Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur how to add attendees. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add attendees to an expense using the SAP Concur, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your SAP Concur mobile app and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is go to the expenses tab on the bottom of your screen and then simply open the expense report that contains the expense you want to add attendees to. And once done, simply tap the specific expense, example a meal or an event, and scroll down to find the attendees or add attendees section. Then simply tap on add attendees or the plus icon and enter attendee details such as name, company and job title if required. Once done, all you gotta do is review all the details and save the audit information and repeat to add more attendees if needed. Once done, tap on save to update the expense. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.